Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a small business owner or just someone looking to add a personal touch to your packages, today is for you. I'll walk you through, step by step, how to create a stylish thank you card for your business using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautiful card ready to print or send to your customers, and you don't need to be a graphic designer to pull this off. So let's dive right in. First up, let's head over to Canva. You can use your browser or the Canva app, whichever you prefer. If you don't already have a Canva account, it just takes a minute or two to sign up, and trust me, it's totally worth it. Canva is beginner-friendly and most features are free, so it's perfect for DIY business projects like this. Once you're at the Canva homepage, look towards the top right and click the big Create a Design button. This is your starting point for just about anything in Canva, and it opens up a world of templates and options. Now in the search box that pops up, type card. You'll notice several suggestions show up, but for today's project, we want a design that's perfect for thank you notes slipped into orders or packages. What's great about searching card is you get a wide variety of templates, everything from postcards to invitation cards. For a business thank you card, a standard business card-sized template is often perfect because it's compact, elegant, and familiar. Go ahead and select a template for a business card. This gives you a neat professional layout to start from, and you don't have to spend time worrying about dimensions or print settings. Now, here's a tip. You can absolutely use any design you like as a starting point, even if it's not labeled thank you. Just look for a clean, readable layout that speaks to your business's vibe. Next, click into the search bar again and type thank you card. This will pull up a specially curated selection of card templates all themed around gratitude. There are so many styles, modern, playful, elegant, you name it. Pick one that matches the tone of your business. If you're a bakery, maybe something warm and sweet. If you're a tech brand, maybe keep it sleek and minimal. All right, now it's time for the fun part, editing the details. Start by changing the text to match your message. Maybe a simple thank you for supporting our small business does the trick, or maybe you want to add your business name, a short note, or even a discount code for their next order. Here where you can really put your personal stamp on things. As you edit, pay attention to fonts and spacing. Make sure it's easy to read. Imagine your customer pulling this out of their package and smiling at your thoughtful touch. Now add your own designs and colors. This is how you make the card truly yours. Try uploading your logo, picking your brand colors, and sprinkling in a few accents like icons or illustrations. If you're not sure what looks good, just play around for a bit. Canva makes it easy to undo anything you don't like. You can also use their drag-and-drop photo library for professional touches, maybe a background texture or little graphics that match what you sell. After you're satisfied with your design, take a final look. Sometimes stepping away for a minute and coming back can help you spot anything off-center or misspelled. Remember, this card is a reflection of your business, so take an extra moment to be proud of your work. Once everything looks perfect, just hit the share button at the top right and choose download. Pick the file type that works for your printing needs. PDF is usually the safest bet for print, but JPG or PNG is perfect for digital thank yous you want to send by email. And that's it, you now have a beautiful, professional thank you card ready for your business. It's that simple, and I promise, your customers will love this thoughtful little extra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your creations, and subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.